Hey everyone, welcome to day one of my 21-day baby steps to your best life yet clean with me challenge. If you're new here and you want to know what this is about, I'll leave a link to the video that I uploaded explaining the whole challenge, but we are today on day one of the challenge and it is to shine your sink. So we are going to go ahead and get our sink all cleaned and shined up for day one of our 21-day cleaning challenge. Let's get into it. If you have kids and you are struggling to get your evening routine under control, and by this I mean your cleaning routine, I don't mean your skincare and getting yourself ready for bed, bring your entire mealtime and nighttime cleaning routine back an hour earlier and you will not regret it. Even if it's just until you get on top of the cleaning and organizing, that way you're making that whole cleanup process just that little bit earlier, so you're going to be less tired and less inclined to just go jump on the sofa and ignore cleaning up the dishes. Bring it back an hour earlier, get everyone involved to help out, and it will be done before you know it. It honestly doesn't need to take forever. You can get it done very, very quickly, especially if you meal prep or ingredient prep and you have less mess to clean up in the first place. So we're just going to quickly clean the sink and then we're done for the day. My favorite deep cleaning product for stainless steel is just good old Jif cream cleanser. You can use pretty much anything you like. You can use bicarb soda and vinegar. You can use just plain old dish soap on a brush. But I like to use Jif when I give my sink a deep clean. The trick is to not go overboard and don't use too much product. Then I like to go in with this particular scrubbing brush. I get mine from the Reject shop. I love it because it's got some really flexible bristles. And the flexible bristles allow it to get in all the nooks and crannies and also in the curves of the sink. I find that if your bristles are too stiff on your brush, it just makes it really hard to get in the curves of the sink. Also like using this sink brush to clean, this particular brush to clean the sink, because it saves your nails. It's not like you're using like a scour or a scrubbing cloth or a scrubbing pad to get in, which will wreck your nails. This one allows you to do it without sacrificing your nails. When you're done with cleaning it, I find it's easier to wipe it down before you splash a lot of water around, because if you just put water, it just makes it 10 times harder to clean up. I also can't wait till I have a kitchen of my own again so I can put a spray tap attachment on. Obviously when you're in a rental property, you're kind of stuck with what the place comes with. I know you can switch out taps, but you know, it's an expense that I just don't want to incur at the moment. Probably the cheapest model of a tap that does have like an extendable hose. Cheapest would be $99, but you know, to get a decent one, it's going to be a couple of $100s. And then that is just not something that I want to be spending my money on right now. So saving hard for that house deposit. And again, that's one thing that I think of when I'm cleaning or when I'm doing something that is maybe a little on the mundane side. I use that time to kind of really focus on what I'm working towards. So when I'm cleaning my sink, I'm thinking, this is not my sink I'm cleaning, but I am working towards getting my own place with my own sink so I can put my own tap. And that is what keeps me kind of motivated and moving forward.
Oh, you're sorry, but you never can tell.
Once you're done cleaning, just give it a quick wipe down and a polish. And there we have it, guys, a nice clean and clear sink. Wouldn't you much rather wake up to this in the morning than to have a sink full of nasty, dirty dishes? And just like that, you are done and dusted for night 1 of the 21-day Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet challenge. Something that's as simple as cleaning and drying your sink is really just, you know, that first step towards building the habits and developing those routines that will carry you forward when it comes to like achieving that goal of a clean and tidy home. It's not just about cleaning your sink and cleaning it once, but just getting in the habit of doing it and doing it regularly. And it's not about getting it done to an immaculately perfect standard. Like I could get, you know, a toothbrush and some stainless steel cleaner and really scrub it, but that's not what this challenge is about. This challenge is about spending a really reasonable amount of time every day just doing the basics that you need to get your house to a clean, clear standard. So if you're enjoying this challenge so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed with your notifications turned on so you never miss an upload in this challenge. I'm going to be uploading really regularly, but at different times throughout the day, depending on when I do my cleaning tasks. So you never want to miss one. Be sure to subscribe with that notification bell on. So that is it for today's challenge. I'll see you tomorrow for the next cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.